So, are you tired of gardening alone, feeling like you're a green thumb on a solo adventure? Well, imagine a vibrant community where you can share your gardening journey, learn from others, and grow together literally. So, welcome to Gardeners Growing Together, your new safe haven for all things gardening. So in today's video, I'm excited to take you on an exclusive visual tour of our online community. And right now I am offering all my founding members free lifetime access. So now is a great time to join in a network of passionate gardeners eager to cultivate their skills and share their experiences. So let's dig in and discover what awaits you inside the community. So if you haven't heard of the School platform, it's a fairly new one that's came into about 2019. So it is got a whole bunch of different communities, different topics for hobbies, for education, for, businesses to use. And I chose this over a Facebook group because I feel that it's a little bit more safer space. There is less spam. There's no ads that you have to deal with. And it's just, a great platform to work in and create a very thriving community. So I'm going to take you now into the Gardeners Growing Together community so you can have a look at what it looks like inside. You first click on the link that I am sharing with you in the description box below. The school app will ask you to register, so you have to put in your name and email, kind of the same as when you would sign up for a Facebook page or an Instagram page. And then I suggest that you create an app on your phone so you can download the school app right on your phone. I don't know if you can see the little icon here. And then that way you have it right on your phone. You can just tap in whenever you want to go in to check and see what's going on in the community, make a post, look for some resource documents or information. So very easy to do from your phone. So once you get into my community, you will be asked just to go to the welcome page, introduce yourself, which I really hope everybody will do. And then you can kind of start looking at who else is on and what things have been posted in the community. So I have it separated into different categories here. We have a welcome, general discussion tab, Q&A, seed starting, winter sowing, hydroponics. So based on your question or what you want to talk about, you can choose one of these categories and just simply make your post. So if you just scroll through it here, you'll see, other members who are already in the community. And then over here we have the classroom tab. And this is where you'll find a whole bunch of information that, I'm hoping will continue to grow all the time as I keep adding to it. Now, because I am the admin on this, some of these modules will show as locked until you reach level 2. So what that means is everybody has a level when you start of level 1, and as long as you introduce yourself, do a little bit of engagement, you will bump up to level 2 right away, and then that way you will have access into some of these modules. So it just kind of encourages engagement and kind of gets things going to have that. So one of the things that is unlocked right away is the Grow and Bloom gardening finds. So this is a module I created where I am posting all sorts of equipment lists for seed starting, hydroponics, garden beds. I am also an Amazon influencer, so I do a lot of review videos on products. So I'm sharing some of those in here, pictures of products, and it's all things that I use and love using and highly recommend. So this will be kind of like a little shopping catalog for gardeners that I will be, building on at all times. So you'll have access to that right away. Down here, I have my indoor hydroponics for beginners course. So this is a one-time purchase. If you were interested in learning hydroponics, I've created a 15 module course that you can purchase for $15 and download it, and then you have it to learn step by step to go through as many times as you want, and it will show you all the basics that can get you going on indoor hydroponics. So if that's something you're interested in, you can just click on that to purchase. Something I'm really excited about is a community recipe box. So here is where I'm hoping that we can all bring in recipes and share different things that we like to make from our garden produce during the summer when got too many zucchinis or something that we want to use up, share those kind of videos, share our canning and harvesting type videos. I do a lot uh, videos and recipes. So I want to create, more of a recipe box where we can find recipes. Also, I've done a lot of videos on my channel for different things that I've made from my garden. I will have, a whole list of videos there as well. So that's something I'm really hoping we can build on and share and really grow a great community recipe box. Other than that, also I have the Legacy Builder program. So this is just a program that I've joined to grow my online marketing business. And this is where I have learned to create a community around a passion of mine. So this is something that you can look into if you're interested on how I'm building my six-figure online business through the Legacy Builder program. You can click there to get more information. So I'll be adding modules to this all the time. Again, input from the community and members is always what I'm looking for so we can make this, useful to everybody. We have a calendar, so any events that I have planned, like a YouTube live like I did last week, maybe there'll be some kind of a meeting or Zoom or something where we can all gather. It will go in the calendar here. It will show on the community page anything that's coming up. We also can get into the members tab to see who's all members in the community. So if you wanted to get a hold of somebody specifically, you can chat with them. There's a chat button here, so you can chat with other members and share information if you want. So that is a great feature to have. The leaderboards is just kind of a fun thing, and this is what I was talking about as far as your badge level. So when you first join the community, you are at level 1, so you're just a seed. And once you interact a little bit, make a few posts, you'll get bumped up to level 2, become a sprout, and then you can get into some of those modules that are locked, like the seed starting and the winter sowing hydroponic modules. So it's just a way to kind of encourage people when they get into community to kind of introduce themselves, and get the communicating going. So that is pretty much the visual of what this community looks like. I'm really excited about it. And as I said, as a founding member, if you join now, it's free. You have free access for life. So I really hope the more people we get in, the better this community will be. And I want it to be, a real safe space that you can feel comfortable coming, asking questions without being judged or out being picked on, which sometimes you see in those, other social media platforms. So I just kind of felt that I love doing my YouTube and I love making videos for people, but sometimes it just feels a little bit lonely, and I like to have more interaction where I can ask questions too, and you guys can say, hey, can you make a video about this, or give me some feedback on how I can make my YouTube channel better, but also just to have that interaction so that we can all be better gardeners and enjoy this passion that we all share. So I hope you found this tour helpful. And again, the link to this community is down in the description box. So just click on it, fill in your information quickly, download the school app onto your phone, come on into the community, say hello, and that's all we have to do. So I hope you will keep following me along on my channel, and we will see you on the next video.